Today I'll be showing you guys a very simple magic trick. For this we'll need a basic cards, and I have my brother to help me out. In this magic trick we'll be needing 27 cards, so let me select 27 cards. You can take any 27 cards, doesn't matter. Let me choose 27 cards. I'll again reshuffling these cards so that there is no doubt in anyone's mind. Now I'll ask my brother to choose a card randomly, whichever he wishes to. Show it to the camera. Now I would request you to place it anywhere you wish to. So I've not seen this card, my brother has, and you guys have in the camera. So I'll be shuffling this again. Now I'll be arranging these cards in 3 packs, and I'll ask my brother in which pack the card that he chose is in. Is it in this pack?
No. Yes.
So I've taken this again. I'll be repeating this once more.
Yes.
I'll be doing this once more.
No.
Is it in this one?
No.
So it must be in this one, right?
Yes. Yes.
So I'll be taking this. Now I have no idea what card he chose, and now I'll be asking him to stop me when he wishes to, and I'll be just throwing the cards down one by one.
Stop.
So I have no idea which card he chose, right? So
Yes.
tell to the camera, what was your card?
5 heart.
Okay, 5 of heart was his card. And we'll be showing you the 5 of heart.